This is how you don't do body. This is, I need my car done in a hurry. Do it cheap. This is aluminum tape that they put bondo over.
Yep.
This is the hole they covered under the bondo. They didn't even sand. They just put the tape over, filled it up with bondo. They used to call it cheap rot repair.
Yep.
Aluminum tape. Good metal up here. We're good here. Bottom, yeah, we're putting a hole in the bottom. Top edge all the way down. It's nice. Now we get ready. We cut. We go look. We're gonna lay the new quarter on. It's a coupe quarter panel. All of the replacements are coupes. We have to make them work for convertibles. So we'll lay it up, mark it up quick. Little trim extra. Set it up. That's all thick.
Yep.
That's all probably that thick.
Yeah, I know, yeah.
I'm not even going to grind it. I'm going to cut it off.
No, cut it. I can't see it from me.
No, you can see from the side where I cut it. It's junk.
Yep.
So we're gonna eliminate the junk. And it's in different stages and lip downs and shit. And it's got like this much bundle. It's not going to have any bundle when we're done down there. It's going to be brand new metal. We got the new quarter laying out on the table over there. But we're getting into the fit, and we'll throw the panel up, mark where we got trim, start to get it ready, cut this all the way off, finish the wheel wells, fit the quarter again, make sure everything's clean, nice, take it off, button all the outer wheelhouse up now that we can finally put the outer wheelhouse in this thing, so it's been a little while. But we're going to get all that welded up and solid all in here. It's going to have all that nice new steel that's in the trunk already made, roughed out. Looks like I'm going to have to put a trunk pan extension on because it's repaired, but I'm seeing daylight through where the repairs were, so it gets a new piece. So we're going to put all this to be brand new, all this here in the door jamb, all the way up in here, nice. This is the way we like to do them. Some of the cars, we have to do them all up, but not this car. This car is a beautiful candidate for the full replacement panel. So that's what's going on here.
Oh yeah. Yep. Not a big bitch. Yeah,
that's the same as what you got there. Same manufacturer, same stamp, it'd be the same thing. See the edge on it? See on the edge? See how it goes way down? Up in here? It's just like that one. So you had to modify, cut, modify, bring that up. Okay, so
yeah, these are
like that. Well, these are, now those must be the 75s there, because these are ones that's 3.
Yeah.
So let's take a look at the 75, because that would be more closer to this, or it should be.
No, unless this is the one that's for that. This is the year for the one we have right there in the back.
But I'm just saying, it's got the same issue as that one. Now we got to look at this one back here. Yeah, they got the same thing. You have to modify them. It's the same wide ass spot back here. Not a problem. Oh, no, it's not that stiff because this probably fits a 71 beautiful. But 73, 4, 5, and 6, you got to do all this extra modification on it. So people think, oh, you just slapped a quarter on it. You ain't slapping a quarter on it. Yeah. Because it don't fit.
The Monte Carlo quarter fit better than...
Well, Monte Carlo only had one design. They never changed that. They kept that design from 69 up till 73, I think, when they changed over to the bigger body.
Yeah.
Well, the shorter body was wider. But that had always kept the same. On these, they kept playing with the bumper heights. They put the big gas bumpers like that thing had, and they set them one way. They messed with the body panels and the bumpers. This is all mud in here. So I gotta go in here with the boom and buzz this out and see what the hell's in there. Because we're gonna go, I'm hoping to use this much of this, you know, that bottom lip that's on the new one, into here, and then modify this to work with this panel, and then just recap, you know, bring this around, cap this off nice, but keep this existing part here, original factory. That way we're not messing with bumper lines. That's my game plan. So let me clean this out and see what the hell we got behind this, see if we got the beautiful stuff, or if we get aluminum
more
tape.
aluminum.
Tell me how much plastic's on this thing. Look how thick it is. I mean, that's like 5 pounds of mud.
So this is the old quarter pounder that came off.
Yeah.
Obviously, you can see a couple pieces. This is a piece
how
that
it's
was
welded
patched in
in.
down here. So, now we're doing a full quarter. We showing you how we'll do it here at VTSV Auto from start to finish.
It's like clean this off.
Well up all the
We'll let it all clean.
And then grind it
Dress
down.
it up nice. And then when we put the inner piece in with the wheel well, get all that grafted up nice. I got those stamped out.
Yes.
You know. And then we'll get into the inner cleanups on everything and get everything welded up in nice solid. Then once we get it all welded and secured, then we'll pop the roof out of this thing. That way there's no more body flex. I don't want no body flex in this guy. You know what I mean? Yeah, but these are fun. You gotta go inside or at least it's got a bar inside it that goes into a hole in here, and then it's just a drain trough for the water to run down. So we're gonna drop that out completely out. Once we drop the roof, we can get it back, because this actually works in with it goes in the frame. See, I'm leaving their original structure here.
Yeah, all of this.
All this is staying, and I'm going into that and coming out. And then the new auto face on. That's why I made up them big pieces. Because I want to run their braces because they hold the roof.
I'm saying, but we're going to eliminate everything from here, aren't we?
Right. This is all getting cut off and then it's coming out.
It's going to be a new arc.
Right.
Made to fit this arc.
Right.
Okay.
That's what those pieces are. That's why they're not bent, because each side's a little bit different. They got to get rolled in to fit.
And then it'll beat this piece?
Right.
All of this thing, all of this brace.
All these brace work stays. All that crap there, all that's going to stay.
This needs to be grinded down.
Yeah, we got to polish. Like up in here, once I trim this back some more, we got to get in here.
All of that, the whole thing.
Yeah, and then this here, once I cut this, I might pop this off, clean it in and out, and then weld it back in. I want this in there.
Might gotta remake this.
Well, no, because the wheel will come out to here.
Oh,
remember, we come straight out with the wheel well for tire clearance? We come straight out this way. We don't have this round no more. We have the nice, straight, flat, like that. So this fits in, like on that side, it fit in right in here. I welded it in and cut it off. And it was all welded in solid into the wheelhouse between the two pieces, between this piece and this piece. This is welded in solid. That way this is solid as a rock.
And then just like TY car will get red to come through with the etching primer once you strip it and just coat all that.
Coat all the shit before we put the coat on.
Get
everything coated up nice.